Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher. This is month of August, week 3. Let's start lesson. In lesson we will learn what come before, table of 2, activity, copy work to page number 15 and 16 and book learn page number 87. Let's start what's come before. Okay students, it is 95. What number is this? It's 95. What's come before 95? It's 94. What's come before? It's 94. Next is 79. Yes, it is 79. What's come before 79? 78. Yes, it's 78. Next is 86. What's come before 86? 85. 85. Next is 92. What's come before 92? 91. Yes. Next is 89. Tell me what's come before 89? It's 88. It's 88. Now, students, it is 56. 56. What's come before 56? 55. 55. Next is, now students, come to the activity table of 2.
Okay kids, I have another activity for you, multiplication activity. This is a sign of multiplication. This is a sign of multiplication. Okay, let's start. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to, let's see, I have pop sticks and I put 2 pop sticks in one glass. 2 ones are 2. It's 2. 2 ones are 2. Now 2 multiplied by 2, I have now 2 pop sticks and to another hand. I put 2 pop stick in one glass, 2, and other glass 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Next is 2 multiplied by 3. Means I put 2 pop sticks in 3 times. 2 pop sticks in 3 times. 1 time. I put 1 time. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 threes are 6. Now next is 2 multiplied by 4. Now I again put 2 pop sticks in one glass. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. 2 fours are 8. Yes, 2 fours are 8. Next is 2 multiplied by 5. Now 2 pop sticks first into one glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yet 2 fives are 10. Read with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now next is, okay kids, it's 2 multiplied by 6. Now 2 pop sticks, first class, count with me. 2, second class, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and and last class 11, 12. Yes. How many pop sticks in 6th class? 12 pop sticks. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 multiplied by 7. Count with me. 1 2. I am putting pop sticks. 3 4. 5 6. Next is 7 8. 9 10. 11 12. And 13 14. Yes. How many pop sticks in 7 classes? 14. 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14. 2 7s are 14. Next is 2 multiplied by 8. Now 2 pop sticks in 1 class. 4. Count with me. 5 6. Next is 7 8. 9 10. 11 12. 13 14. And 15 16. Yes. How many pop sticks in 8 class? 16. 2 multiplied by 8 is equals to 16. 2 8s are 16. Next is 2 multiplied by 9. Now I have 9 glasses and I put 2 pop stick in each glass. Count with me. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Count with me. 15 16 17 18. Yes, 18 pop sticks. 2 multiplied by 9 is equals to 18. 2 9s are 18. Now last is 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to, I have 10 glasses and I put 2 pop stick in each glass. 2 3 4. Count with me. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Yes. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay students. Now learn table of 2 and take care. Thank you for being here. Allah Hafiz.